Hey, dear friends. Um, just wanted to drop an update to you as far as more stocks, more penny stocks you can invest in. Um, please like and subscribe, and also hit the notifications bell. Yes, please do subscribe because we have to keep building the channel so we can proceed with more stuff. So let's I'm gonna pretty much give you an overview today as far as what's been going on. Some of the stocks that I had previously posted for you guys to invest in was making a lot of money, pretty much like DVLT. That was an AI stock. I mean, that stock shoot up to like $3.10 from 34 cents when I bought it, which was like a month ago, till on Friday when the stock shoot up to like, I think it was Friday or Thursday. Don't quote me on that. On Thursday, that it shoot up to $3.10. That was a lot of money to be made. It's DVLT, DFLI, and then DFLIW, which was the warrant with it. And then the NUAI and NUAIW, those stocks, you need to keep on investing in those. So that way you're aware of what's going on. I'm gonna put them in there so that way if you missed it while I'm talking to you, that way you'll see it in the listing here. So it's DW DV LT, and then DFLI, and then DFLIW, and then NUAI, and then NUAIW. So there's two of them that has warrants and then one doesn't. But these stocks was making so much money last week, it wasn't even funny. As I mentioned to you before, like when I posted penny stocks to you, if you see the stocks make some money, just cash it out. Especially sometimes these penny stocks, they shoot up to like 30, 40, 50, 60. Sometimes I see them shoot up to like 1,000%. You need to cash it out. There's no if and buts because the only way you're going to make money off of it, when it shows green and it's high green, whether if it's $10, 20, 30, 40, 50, $100 or a couple of $100, you need to cash it out. That's the only way you're going to make money. Don't sit on it. Don't wait, or it's going to grow. Blah, ha, 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 ha. Cash it out. But if you see the stock is like, it's like DV LT, that stock was like non-stop last week and the week before. It was like keep on shooting up. There was like no space in between. If there was a day that it was like cool off, it was time to buy. You didn't have like a chance to like waiting for it to like go really, really low for you to buy. It was like up, 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 and then at time when it cool off to like maybe 10 cents or a few cents less, and then the next day it will shoot up again. So those are like AI stocks. So these stocks, they like keep on shooting up. So you do want to keep on reinvesting in those, like buy them when you see they make money, cash them out, and then rebuy again, because that's the way you're gonna keep on building up. That's why it say the channel say build income. So you need to keep on building up on those stocks. Buy, make money, buy again, keep on building up until you build up to like high income. Okay, so I'm gonna go over the a list of stock with you today because I guess I done enough research on those. So those are the stocks we're gonna invest from either start tomorrow, although it's you no longer need them or no longer you're making money off of them. So that way you know that they are available. And always make a list of stocks that are making you money. So that way you can keep on buying them, because those are the ones that's like popping cash, green cash. You do want to make sure that you make a list. Like you can go to Google Doc and create like a spreadsheet for yourself, and then put money stocks, and then you list them there. So that way when you are investing on a day-to-day basis, you have the list of stocks that you can use to make money off of them, and or keep on buying them. Okay, so some of the stock that I'm going to go over with you is the Open. Open has been going off and on. So you do want to buy that stocks. I did buy that one. It's good. When it shoot up, it really shoot up. Stay shoot up on Friday for like I think there was some kind of a company that invested in it. I think it was $50 million that they invested in, and it shoot up. So you do want to look into that also. So it could keep running on Monday. So you want to make sure on that. NVX, WAI, BNAI, and BNAIW. You do want to buy the warrants and the stock so you can make double the money. So that stocks also shoot up last week. When I saw that it shoot up high, I cashed out. When I'm waiting for it to cool off. It's like some of these stocks, it's like they refuse to cool off. And when they do cool off, they don't cool off enough for you to buy in between. So you have to know when to get in it. So and then the next one is the CATX. And then the next one is the SPHL. The next one is the DGXX. And then the next one is the ARRNF. Next one is the IZEA and CICO, CICO. And then the next one is the RMSG. And then the next one is the RMSGW. And then the next one is the ADTX and the LIXT and the LIXTW. Whenever you see a W, it's a warrant, meaning that the stock itself is separate from the warrant. So you can buy both of them. So you make double your money. And then the next one is the EDHL. And we're going to shoot to the top again. So the next one is the GWH, PWM, SCWO, REKR, SESPR, IOBT, VIVK, SOAR, HYAC and HYACW, which is warrants. When you see WT, it's been warrants. And you have to, like, whenever you buy it, you have to place that label or that symbol exactly how you see it there, with the little dash in between. Sometimes if you own Fidelity, it will show both, but some other platform may not show it. So you do want to like copy and paste it and place it in there so that way you can see it. And then the next one is the REMF, QTTB, and the AEON, and then the YSXT, and then the SKBL. So these are all the stocks that we're going to keep on investing in, and make sure that you tell me that you are making money off of those, because what I find out is that you can buy as much as you can, or if you're somebody that are on budget, you can buy like on a weekly basis or bi-weekly basis, or if you are able to on a monthly basis, you can buy them and let sit on them. And then next thing you know, like in a few weeks or months, they start shooting up. So that's why you can buy as much as you can for each one and then sit on them. And then on a day-to-day basis, watch them, especially early morning. Go to Google them to see if they're going to pre-market prices. See if they are shooting up. So that way you know you prepare ahead of time. If they are shooting up, you do want to cash out when they are shooting up. If you see that they are shooting down, then that can be an opportunity for you to buy. So there's no loss in between, because with stocks, you always want to buy them when they are shooting down. When they are red and bloody, you always want to cash out. When they are green, shooting up, you know? So I'm going to leave it there. So as I mentioned to you, um, uh, like and subscribe, do subscribe, and also let me know down in the comment below. And also, if you have any question, just um, put it in there. Okay, so I'll see you next time. Bye.